everybody! I'm here today with a simple driving lesson on speed and use of signals when turning. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of your speed and using your signals when you are turning a car right and left. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Sorry about that, I'm just coming over a cold, so I wanted to get that out of the way at the beginning of the video. Let's get right into it. First and foremost, speed, okay? Here's the thing. When you're turning, if you are starting, and I'll demonstrate momentarily, if you are starting from a stop sign, so you come to a stop and then you start to turn, then you're going to accelerate smoothly as you get into that turning speed. If you are turning without a stop sign, then essentially you're going to reduce your speed before you start turning. You're going to maintain that slower speed throughout the duration of the turn, and you're going to accelerate out of the turn, after the turn, okay? So let's start driving. I'm going to come to a complete stop, and we are going to turn here, okay? So I'm accelerating gently as I start to turn. So that's how to control your speed when you are turning, when you're starting from a stop. Now I'm gonna turn left up ahead without stopping. So check this out. So I'm gonna signal, I'm gonna do all of my safety checks, okay? But now watch this. I'm reducing my speed. So I'm slowing down, okay? Now I'm maintaining this slower speed now, and now I'm accelerating. So as you saw right there, I slowed down before the turn, then I maintain that slower speed throughout the turn, okay? And then I accelerated after the turn. I'll give you an example with numbers, okay? So let's say I was going 50 kilometers an hour and I was getting ready to turn. I reduced it to 20 kilometers an hour before I even turned the wheel. Then I maintained that slower speed of 20 kilometers an hour while I was in the turn, and then I accelerated back up to 50 on the new street after the turn was done, okay? And next I'm going to talk about, and I'll demonstrate everything once again, but next I'm going to talk about your use of signals, your use of signals when you're turning. You want to signal in advance, okay? Now the actual distance in feet depends on where you live and what your standards are, but as a rule of thumb, you want people to know that you plan on turning. So if I'm approaching a turn up ahead, I'm going to signal early enough so that everyone knows that I plan on turning there. And it's very important to signal because you communicate what your intentions are to the drivers and other pedestrians around you, okay? Also, if you are turning right, you're going to signal right. If you are turning left, you're going to signal left. Simple, right? So check this out. I'm turning left, okay? I'm slowing down. I've already signaled, okay? Slowing down. Now I'm going to maintain that slower speed while the wheel is turned. Now I accelerate, okay? Now I accelerate. So we're going to bring it all together. The signaling and the speed. We're going to bring it all together right now as we, deal with a few turns, okay? So I'm approaching a stop sign that's far ahead over there. Now, I know I'm going to have to stop, so the speed isn't a concern. I know I'm going to have to stop. I don't have to make any decisions about speed yet, but I do have to signal. So if the car in front of me was driving the right speed, maybe I'd get there on time, but someone's walking in the middle of the road. That's why the car in front of me is driving 10 kilometers an hour. Stop waving at people. Get on the sidewalk. She's waving at. Get on the sidewalk. Stop waving at people because they're your neighbors. Doesn't mean you can walk in the middle of the road. Anyways, I'm approaching the stop sign, okay? Coming to a complete stop, and I signal in advance so everyone knows I plan on turning. I come to a complete stop, do my safety checks, and now I accelerate. So speed and signal are taken care of right there, okay? I'm going to do the same thing here, and then I'm going to approach a turn without a stop sign. So right here, I'm signaling in advance, okay? Coming to a complete stop, doing my safety checks, okay? And now I'm accelerating as I turn the wheel. So speed and signal I took care of. Now, here's a turn without a stop sign. So I'm going to signal in advance. Should I turn here? They're doing road work. Yeah, why not? Signal in advance, slow down. Okay, doing my safety check, slow down. Maintain that slower speed. Now I accelerate. So hopefully you got the gist of it right there, okay? But that's basically it. Those are the basics. I'm going to turn around. I don't want to deal with this road work here. And I have to turn around to get to where I need to go. I'm actually en route to somewhere now. It's usually when I film my videos, when I'm actually headed somewhere, and I plan on getting there about 10 minutes early, 50 minutes early to film. So I'm gonna turn around so I can go where I need to go. Hey, look, we got some road work materials coming in over here. Alrighty, so anyways, that's basically it. That is the driving lesson on speed and use of signals while driving. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.